Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study from Physics Galaxy, only way. Open the relevant chapter and watch the concept videos before solving problems. Pause videos to take concise notes and copy key diagrams. Tackle example problems step by step and redo them until you can explain each step aloud. Use the problem filter to pick similar problems and increase difficulty gradually. Review mistakes weekly and track progress with a simple checklist. Preview the chapter to build a mental map of topics and formulae and note unfamiliar terms. Study concept videos actively, pausing to rewrite explanations in your own words. Solve examples immediately, copying steps and reasoning, then attempt similar problems without notes. Time yourself on practice sets to build speed and accuracy. End each session with a short summary and one self-test question to reinforce learning. Track weak areas and revisit videos until concepts feel intuitive. Quick note, if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading PDFs and notes anywhere, with crisp contrast and long battery life, making study sessions portable and comfy. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. I appreciate your support. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Choose problems that target one concept at a time to isolate weaknesses and build mastery. Start with solved examples, then reproduce solutions from memory before attempting fresh problems. Use error analysis to diagnose mistakes and categorize them for focused review. Schedule spaced repetition of problem types to reinforce retrieval and avoid cramming. Celebrate small wins like mastering a topic or improving time on a problem, and track progress weekly to stay motivated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.